All right, we're back live at the waterfall. We had another hellacious hike, hunting deer this morning and goats at the top of some mountain, and now we're coming back to see if there's any more salmon in here. So we're live. There's a few people up there with fly rods. Emmett's going down. He's got the Xxxblood and the Jerkits. So we'll watch him make a couple casts so we can keep it live for you guys. We broke a rod. A lot of fish right there. I can see them. I don't know if you guys can see them. If I can zoom in. But Emmett's down there and he's making some casts, so just stand by for a second. He'll hook into something. Huge one sitting right there in front of him. It's a bunch of them. You can just barely see the brown spots. Hey, what's up, Donnie? We're back in a little honey hole, trying to get some honey. Oh, there we go. 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 Live action, guys. There we go. Emmett's on. Emmett's on. I'm going to come around this. I'm coming around. It's a nice one. Just like that. I think that was 3-4 casts with the Jerkit. It's a big salmon. There it is right there. That's a good silver. Ooh, that's a hog. He's got on a little busted rod. Hey, what's going on, Stefan? We're up here. It got in the current on Emmett, so we got to pull it back out. You guys get some orders in. I know some people ordered the blood yesterday, but that was 3 casts. The fish is right there in that current. There it is. Oh, nice. That was on video, jumper. You guys see that head come up? We're fishing 10-pound fluorocarbon. I put that on at the shop, and then I sent all the rods down here. And that is a nice one. Hey, what's going on, Joaquin? I see you on there. We got the Jerkits going down, battling the hog. That's the biggest one, dude. Trying to get him, even trying to hold him in this little water. He's trying to get back into that fast water. Oh, he's trying to get around the corner on us. He's in the fast water again. Oh, damn him, he's way down there. All right. Okay, guys, we're still going. We got to come over some big branches. Looked like he got in the tree too. We got our boots on, but the water's a little deep. And it's trying to get them. I'm gonna go around. I can't walk through that. But you gotta walk through all this treacherous trees, sticks, bog holes, these thorny plants to get to everything. So you can't mess around. You gotta bust through the stuff. He's in a freaking deep current now. It's gonna be hard to pull him back up here. He's getting them. Water's too swift for us to get down in. It's a big one. It's the biggest. There he is right there. I can't zoom in on him, but that's him right there. You can only, if you step right here, Emmett, you can land them. You can step down right here. Get them in that little hole. There it is right there. It's a big hog. We don't have a landing net. I know everybody will say, where's the landing net? We don't have a landing net. Oh. He had his hand on him. The Jerkit lures are holding steady. I don't know if you want me to pull him. Oh, it's a monster. We need a net. That's the battle. First fish on today. Thanks everybody for watching. Team amazing. That's Emmett, our pro staff in Sitka. Young boy goes hard. Yeah, get him in there, get him in there, get him in there, Emmett. Oh. This is how the battle's been, but a lot of times you don't have internet service or the fish gets off at the last second. But this one is stuck in the bone and still trying to get a good spot to get them. Pink jerkit in the mouth. It's a nice little cove past this tree, Emmett. It's a waterfall down there. We're trying to keep them out of that. He's feisty. That's the way it goes down, guys. Alaska's no joke. Ooh, fish caught. Freaking hog, live, right there. That's how we do it. Big Willie, live camera, live fishing, no cuts, no nothing. We got them. Hold them up.